What happens when a villager reports a broken streetlight? A complaint is manually written down in a register. That register is passed from one desk to another. A meeting is scheduled. Updates are tracked manually, and reports are prepared entirely separately. When community issues rely on paper records, it can take days or even weeks for anyone to follow up. Now imagine if this entire process could be managed through one digital platform. Replacing physical ledgers with a unified system ensures that public records are instantly accessible. It provides local officials with accurate data while allowing citizens to see exactly how their community is being governed. My name is Om Rajput. I am a B.Tech Data Science student at SVKM NMIMS Global University in Dhule, India. I am passionate about using software, artificial intelligence, data science, and emerging technologies to solve real-world problems in agriculture, rural development, public governance, and community welfare. Many panchayat offices still depend entirely on paper records and physical communication. When infrastructure issues and citizen complaints are scattered across different notebooks, tracking progress becomes slow, difficult, and highly inefficient. That problem inspired me to build the Digital Panchayat Management System. My vision was to create a centralized digital platform to simplify panchayat administration. By combining complaint tracking, infrastructure management, and meeting logs into one interface, the system creates a digital paper trail for every action. This helps government staff operate efficiently and provides citizens with a clear view of the administrative process. This diagram shows the core architecture of the platform, which is divided into two primary experiences. On the left, the citizen portal gives villagers a direct voice to log complaints. On the right, the secure, password-protected government portal gives officials the tools to manage those issues. When a citizen submits an issue, the complaint registration module creates a unique ticket. This allows them to monitor the status of their request in real time, improving communication with local authorities. But governance requires managing physical assets too. The Infrastructure Issue Tracker records specific problems with roads, streetlights, and sanitation. It assigns specific officers to each task, tracks severity levels, and automatically highlights overdue issues. Beyond infrastructure, the platform handles bureaucratic proceedings. The Meeting Records Manager digitizes Gram Sabha and ward committee meetings. It stores attendee lists, formal resolutions, and pending action items. All of this data feeds directly into the main dashboard, providing live operational insights. Administrators can instantly view complaint statistics, export PDF and CSV reports, and use the simulated SMS notification system to announce upcoming meetings. Integrating issue tracking, meetings, and analytics into one dashboard creates a permanent record of every submission. This ensures that citizen requests remain visible and actionable throughout their entire lifecycle. Building this required a robust technical stack. The platform is built on Java 17, featuring a professional dark-themed Java Swing UI, supported by a localized SQLite database, JDBC, and custom shell scripts. This architecture diagram illustrates the system's modular design. I applied clean architecture principles, specifically utilizing the Data Access Object or DAO pattern. This separates the Java Swing user interface from the SQLite database logic. Within that structure, I implemented role-based access control. This ensures the system acts as a secure gatekeeper, managing CRUD operations, create, read, update, and delete, based on whether the user is a citizen or a verified official. Getting to this point involved overcoming significant engineering hurdles. I had to design a relational database structure from scratch, manage data flow across multiple modules, and successfully bridge Java Swing with SQLite to handle dynamic report generation. Applying these enterprise software engineering concepts to a rural governance tool is necessary. It ensures system stability, protects sensitive public data, and proves that rural tech can be built to the same standards as corporate software. Through the thousands of lines of code written for this project, my understanding of software engineering expanded. I evolved from basic Java programming to mastering real-world system design, UI structuring, and solving complex database problems. And the platform is built to grow. The immediate future roadmap includes developing a companion Android application, integrating Aadhaar and mobile authentication, and allowing citizens to use GPS-based issue reporting with photo uploads. At the enterprise level, the goal is to implement real SMS API integration, migrate the localized database to a full cloud deployment, and build advanced predictive analytics tailored specifically for Panchayat officials. The Digital Panchayat Management System is designed as a scalable framework, built to evolve alongside India's expanding digital infrastructure. As an engineering student, I believe the value of technology is measured by its impact on people's lives. Through projects like this, I hope to contribute towards smarter villages, better governance, and a more digitally empowered India. My name is Om Rajput, and this is the Digital Panchayat Management System. The GitHub repository link is available in the description below. If you enjoyed this project showcase, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more projects related to software engineering, AI, agriculture technology, rural innovation, and public impact.